Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do another fun Halloween look, and so I was scrolling through Instagram and I came across MILK1422's little half woman, half lion? I'm not sure. Lion, leopard, feline. Half feline. And so I did my little spin on it, and so if you want to see how I got this, if you want to follow along, please keep watching. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button and like this video, and follow me on Instagram, jess.a.burton, and jessbur32 on Twitter. So to start off, I'm going to prep my skin using this Tarte Maracuja oil and just rubbing it in all over. And then next I'm taking this NYX dual-ended black eyeliner, and I'm starting to outline the nose of the feline. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a jaguar or what, but that is what I'm doing here. And I decided to take my hair down and put these ears on because it just looks more feline, lion-esque. And I'm just using that NYX eyeliner pencil to continue doing the outline of the face of the lion or the jaguar. I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just blending it out to get that white cheek area where the whiskers will be coming out of. Using this Too Faced Pressed Poreless Powder to set that, and then also to brighten it up, because if you saw from my last video, this pressed powder is really bright, and so I thought that would be great to make that white area come forward. And this is just a Morphe blending brush. I'm using it because it's a small area and I didn't want to blur the black lines. Next, I'm taking the black gel liner from Inglot and a BH Cosmetics angled liner brush, and I'm going over that area where I used the NYX liner because the Inglot gel liner stays and it brings a really black appearance and it doesn't seem to fade. This was my first time doing whiskers like this, and I think that they turned out decently. I found that dipping the brush in the liner and then just kind of flicking it brought the best hair-like feature. So if you want to try that, I suggest using a thin angled liner brush and a creamy gel. And I'm wrinkling up my face a little bit just to see where the natural creases would go, as if, you know, I'm growling at somebody, or like when they are snarling and showing their teeth. And then I decided to do the rest of my face, and I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation, and my BH Cosmetics brush. And then I'm just setting that and doing my concealer as I normally would to the other side of my face, like I would any other day. Going back with the Inglot gel liner and the angled liner brush, I am using that reference photo from MILK1422, and I'm just making the little designs of the spots and anything else that I see in the photo. And then here I am using that liner to kind of outline where I want to shade in all of the black. Using the black matte shade from the Violet Voss Matte About You palette, I am going back over and shading just to deepen up everything and make it look a little bit more 3D and realistic. And then again, taking that white shadow and trying to create that whisker area that's white, and then going back over with the gel liner. Filling in a few more blank areas with spots, just to make it look a little bit more full, and the ear, kind of creating that. And I'll take the orange shade from the Morphe Day Slayer palette and just outline a little bit and add some color. I moved to the other side of my face, and I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz to fill in my eyebrows. And I kind of was bouncing all over the place in this video. I didn't have a specific outline of how I was going to execute the look, so I just did it as I saw areas that I wanted to fill in. I switched to a flat liner brush to create a more hair-like stroke with that orange, and then I'm taking this red liner from MAC to accentuate that mark, because in the picture it is vibrantly orange. I was switching back and forth between the two matte shadows and the gel liner, and then ultimately I decided to go with a NYX Jumbo pencil that is black and just completely line in my eye area. Doing a little bit more shading to make all these spots and features come a little bit more forward. Here I am taking a pink eyeshadow to create the nose, to fill in the nose. You can really take any pinkish peachy eyeshadow and fill that in. I'm taking that red MAC eyeliner again and creating the drip of blood that is supposed to be coming down from the jaguar's mouth. Now I'm taking a Morphe blending brush and a matte brown shade to shade in my eye a little bit and just do the eye as similar as I could to the picture. Then I applied my House of Lashes Iconic Lights, and now I am contouring the side of my nose. The photo has this section really contoured and really deepened up, and so I'm just trying to recreate that. And now I'm taking a Maybelline Color Elixir in the shade Signature Scarlet to make that appear a little bit more blood-like. And shading in my lips a little bit more, just to resemble the mouth of that feline. The other side of my face I contoured as normal, and then I went in with a smaller Morphe blending brush to really amplify that carved out cheek. Adding a little bit of highlight to the human side of my eye, I took Becca Opal, and then over the whisker area I took MAC Soft and Gentle, also to highlight that area above my eyes. And then I took Benefit Dandelion Shy Beam to add just a little bit more of a bright area. Doing a little bit of last minute shading, and then I am going back over with my gel Inglot liner just to really accentuate those lines. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope it's easy to follow and you have a fantastic Halloween.